Are you feeling stuck in life? Do you feel like everything is boring and that nothing makes you happy anymore? Well, I have some good news for you. This might sound weird, but your boredom could actually be an opportunity. You see, we often try to escape from boredom. Another mistake people make is trying to fight their boredom instead of embracing it. We often think that we need to be constantly entertained or stimulated in order to be happy, but this isn't actually true. If you're feeling bored, it might be time to try something new. This could be anything from taking up a new hobby to visiting a new place. Trying something new can help break up the monotony of your routine and inject some excitement into your life. It can also help you to learn new skills and meet new people. So if you've been feeling bored, why not try something new? Learning something new can be a great way to make the most of your boredom. Creativity is a great way to make the most of your boredom. Sometimes when we're bored, we feel like we're not being productive enough or that we're wasting our time. By embracing boredom, you open yourself up to the possibility of coming up with new and interesting ideas. So next time you're bored, don't reach for your phone or turn on the TV. Instead, allow yourself to get bored and see what happens. You might be surprised at what you come up with. What are some other ways that you make the most of your boredom? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share it with others who might find it useful too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. This can lead to feelings of guilt or shame. But the truth is, there's no such thing as wasting time. Every moment is an opportunity to learn and grow. So if you're feeling bored and unmotivated, don't be afraid to ask for help. Reach out to a friend, family member, or mental health professional and talk about what you're going through. They can offer support and guidance as you work through your feelings of boredom and apathy. When you're bored, you have a lot of time on your hands. What better way to spend that time than by being creative? You could write a story, draw a picture, or even start a blog. The possibilities are really endless. Creativity can also help you to relax and distress. When you're focused on something creative, you're not thinking about your problems. You're having fun and letting your imagination run wild. So if you're bored, get creative. It might just be what you need to liven up your day. Not only can it help keep your mind sharp, but it can also be a great source of entertainment. There are so many things you can learn. And the best part is that you don't even have to leave your home to do it. With the internet, you have access to a wealth of knowledge on any topic you can imagine. So if you're bored, why not try learning something new? You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. You might be surprised at what you enjoy. We can find happiness in the simplest of things if we just allow ourselves to be bored. One of the best ways to embrace boredom is to disconnect from technology for a while. Talking to someone can be a great way to make the most of your boredom. Chatting with a friend or loved one can help take your mind off of things and give you a new perspective. It can also be a great way to bond with someone else and create new memories. So if you're bored, reach out to a friend or family member and chat. You never know what kind of advice or support they might be able to offer. We are constantly bombarded with stimulation from our phones, TVs, and computers. And this can make it difficult to simply be bored. When you're bored, it's easy to fall into a rut. You do the same things every day, and nothing ever changes. But being spontaneous can be a great way to break out of this rut and make the most of your boredom. Try something new. Do something on a whim. You might be surprised at how much fun you have. Being spontaneous can also help you to be more creative. When you're not stuck in your routine, you're more likely to come up with new and innovative ideas. So if you're bored, don't just sit there complaining about it. Be spontaneous and make the most of your time. But boredom can be a good thing. It can give us time to reflect and be creative. So next time you're bored, put away your devices and allow yourself to just be bored. You might be surprised at what you come up with. Give yourself permission to experience this emotion and allow yourself to get bored. And it's okay to not always be doing something. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what we need. You'll never know where inspiration will strike. You might be sitting there thinking about nothing in particular, and then suddenly have a great idea. When we should be embracing it because boredom can be a source of creativity, you can use it to come up with new and interesting things to do, and it can help you to see things in a different light. So let's take a look at 10 ways to use your boredom to your advantage. No. 1. Think of it as a blessing. When you're bored, it's easy to complain and feel sorry for yourself. But instead of focusing on the negative, try to reframe your thinking and look at your boredom as a blessing. Boredom can be a time for reflection and introspection. Use this time to think about what you really want out of life and what you're grateful for. This can help you to gain perspective and appreciate what you have. And when you focus on the positive, you'll start to see that your boredom is actually a gift. Number 2, don't fight it. No. 3, allow yourself to daydream. Daydreaming is a great way to escape from reality for a while, and it can also be a great source of inspiration. When we daydream, we allow ourselves to explore different worlds and possibilities, and this can help us to come up with new ideas and solutions to problems. So next time you're bored, allow yourself to daydream. Let your mind wander and see where it takes you. You might be surprised at the amazing things you come up with. 4, try something new. No. 5, disconnect from technology. No. 6, talk to someone. Number 7, be spontaneous. No. 8, learn something new. No. 9, be creative. Number 10, don't be afraid to ask for help. In conclusion, boredom can be a great source of creativity and innovation,